Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge and you need to remove or replace the center dash vent, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Not very complicated procedure, guys, and it takes only about a minute to replace them. So we'll show you how to do that in case your center dash vent, left or right, is broken, not functioning correctly, or it just looks ugly because it's broken. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. Quick introduction: every single car, including this generation Ford Edge, we'll be making, guys, at least 200 videos. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful, guys, and you'll be able to fix the vehicle on your own. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that to fix your car, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get the tools and parts for our vehicles from, and usually we get them for a good price, fast shipping as well. So now right here, guys, we're going inside. Okay, I'm talking about left or right center dash vents, guys, left or right. So we'll show you guys how to do that. Now let me grab a new light quick. So now, guys, that whole piece comes out. You need to get a plastic panel removal tool, okay, and you just pry it. It has a few clips that will pop out. Check it out now, perfect. A few on top. Great. Now those are, guys, okay, that's the whole assembly. Let me show you where the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. You can see the clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 on the other side and here. Now we'll demonstrate on one of the dash vents. Okay, fuel head screwdriver, and we need to remove, guys, 3 screws in order to get the dash vent out. 4 screws, guys. I didn't see one of them. Whoever designed them, it's a good design. They're easy to replace. Screws hold them, so it's not like they're going to break, just if it's plastic clips. And this is, guys, the center dash vent. The other side's practically the same as well, guys, identical procedure. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.